go to the SSI web and load your study. So this is where you had created all your attributes and your levels. And then you had gone up here somewhere and said post to web, right? Yes, prepare for web upload, and that's what you had done.
Mm-hmm.
So here you need to, once you have the data, let's see, what's it? Right here. So file, export data, prepare CVC files, that's what you're going to use for the fitting. So you click that. Here you can figure out how you want to number your respondents. Basically leave this the same. Did you have any fixed tasks in your doodad? Did you leave basically the settings the same when you set up the survey, like the default settings? Because you should have random tasks, and then you should have like 2 fixed tasks, which basically shows your questions, but they don't change per respondent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I think we use like 2 or 3 fixed questions.
So you can say, what do I want to import to a show file? So I can do just random only. You don't usually fit models with the fixed. And then you can do all respondents or qualified or complete. Sometimes they're the same. Then you prepare it, and it's going to, for me it's saying it's already there because I've already done this, but it will prompt you for that data file. And then you get out a .coh file. So once you have that, it's going to look like this. So then you're going to want to, I don't know if you have this program. I think he gave you the license for it.
Yeah, he did.
You want the CPC HB model. And this is what will take that show file and convert it to utilities. So then you would say browse, find your show file, and select that. If they're on the same computer, you can usually just find it. Let's see. Okay, so then you get into this screen. It'll tell if you have any errors or what have you. Data files, this will, you have CSV here, the show file, not the CSV file. If it's linked to your SSI web, then it has all of this filled in for you already. Otherwise, you can just go through and type it. So this has the levels, or the attributes and the levels. These are your questions. So this had 14, and you unchecked the fixed. So I imported all of them. Uncheck the fixed tasks so it doesn't fit the model based off of those.
Why don't you want to have the fixed in there?
This is so that you can compare for repeatability. So you can fit the data based off